everybody, welcome back in the new Apex Trader funding trading today again. It's 16 funded accounts. Welcome back everybody. Market just opened right now in time. So we would like to change a bit of, improve a little bit of our trading and look for liquidity before taking a freaking trade. We definitely are taking already this low. We didn't take anything on the previous low highs here. It's been a while we didn't take anything there. We're gonna wait for some lows taking before taking anything. Oh, what the heck? Why this monitor is off? Why this monitor is off? Computer, can you give enough battery to this to charge, to open, or not? Can you turn it on? Thank you. Hey, this one. I want this one on. Why you're not working? Okay. Can you put a screen? Hello, Tomato. Hello, Valknut. Hello, Mohammed. Morning, guys. Yesterday we got destroyed. You saw it yesterday. 30-point slippage in one candle. Unfortunately, it is what it is, and we accept it. Right now, I want this to work. Made one trade already up $214. That's great. I'm going to limit myself to 3 days. 3 trades today, 10-point TP, no stop, but we'll cut it quick. 5 micros. Love that, man. I love that. It's good. It's sometimes it's really many times we think rules are limitations, but when you think about rules on a bad day, they're protection, and on a bad day is when you blow up accounts, right? So I would like to protect myself when I blow up accounts than when I'm probably I'm gonna make $100 more than 500, right? Why my monitor is not turning on here? Not a big deal, but just annoying. I'm gonna use just somewhere else. Still, yeah, Tomato. You're man. I like me and Mufti and with good morning, guy, man. Good morning. Me and Mufti will tell you every time. You are a good trader, brother. You are really, really a good trader. The moment you fix your discipline-wise on accepting losing trades, because losing trades are normal. You're gonna have them forever for the rest of your life. You're gonna have them probably today, you're gonna have them probably tomorrow, you're gonna have them probably Friday, you're gonna have them probably Monday. It's normal. The moment you accept red days as like, it's a business. It's the expense of a business. The moment you get that in your head, my friend, you're flying. You are flying. All right, we're coming back already. We already took these lows, and we're soon gonna take these lows here too. That's gonna be interesting. 15 minutes. I'm gonna give it a little bit of time before taking any actions anyway. Good morning, Fayaz. Good morning, Mufti. Morning, everyone. Man, you're a good trader, Tomato. You're a good trader. You're really a good trader. I wish I was having green days like yours. You're Tomato. It sounds weird when you say you're a great trader, Tomato. Sounds weird, but it is how it works now. It put me tomato in my head that now, this morning I had eggs and tomato as a breakfast. Where is the charts? I want to see the stocks. How are the stocks are doing? Stocks are selling off, but we know the war situation right now is getting worse. By the way, it's really getting worse. We have a really different vibes. USA is very close to getting a war with Iran, and that's definitely something we don't like to see. Unfortunately, this world is fucked up, guys. As much as we want to, this world is so bad, guys. People, we create wars from nothing. People die for people in power. for their decisions. 99% of people don't want to go on a war, but 99% of people don't. 99% of the people want to be in peace and stay at home, have their barbecue, live their life, die old, stay in their home. But people are greedy. People are greedy, guys. So let's go back. That's a beautiful 5 minutes candle. This is yesterday lows somehow. What the heck? Yeah, this is loss that has been taken during a Nordic session. Isn't just hello, Andy. Yeah, to test my stock while I had those nice percent. Yeah, that's a really good. I want to invest long term. I really want to invest long term. But when you see these things are happening, you're like, how the heck am I gonna enter in a positions long term right now? And the stocks is high compared to the situation of the world. With Mati Shah. when is the breakfast, the Moroccan breakfast, man? Brother, I took a trade in London session. It was a win, but I did not realize that it was on. And that hurts. That hurts because if you were taking a good trade today on a FOMC day, you will be like done. You were done, my friend. You were done. Oh, that sucks. It's okay. You know, good side, you took a good trade. Good side, you took a good trade. What the heck? It was an A+ setup. Now I think I'm gonna step up today. It is a sign. Sometimes it is really a sign when something like that happens. You're like, nah, I am out of this shit. It is. Free trades are up 214, 12, 23. Locking myself out through the today feels like I'm leaving a lot on the table. Feels what? Feels what? You don't feel the market. Stop with that. You don't feel the market. Who are you to pretend that you know that you're gonna make money after? Who are you? Think about what you say right now. Think about that you think you're gonna make money in the next trades. Who are you? If you were that sure, you will be a millionaire. You just act on what you see, you react, you take action, you close the trades, you follow the rules, you close the laptop, you go walk away. You take your dog out, you enjoy, you come back the next day, you do the same things. That's why then trading becomes boring, is because it's a repetition of the same things over and over and over again. I don't feel the market. Sometimes we do say that I feel is long. It's right. It's just you want to take a trade. You want to take a trade. When I entered, I did and I won 20 points. Then I saw that I entered the MQ with one contract. That's 10 times difference. Like, look at this, guys. We grab these lows. We grab these lows in the 50 minutes chart here. That's beautiful. And now we can come back and grab these highs. Yeah, you tomato, you're a good trader. The moment you start to be a little bit more mechanical on your rules, man, you're gonna crash it. Sometimes, of course, you're gonna make less than money that you were making before. It's normal because sometimes you're gonna, instead of making $700 on a day, you make $350 on a day because you took your free trades, right? And you're like, I could have done $700 today. Next day, it's a losing day. And instead of blowing the accounts, you took a $200 loss. Is it better like that? Or is it better that you made $700 and you blew up the next day? It's a long, when you follow your rules, it takes more time to get payouts, but you never blow up. You never freaking blow up. It takes more time to get payouts when you have a good strategy and a good way of trading. It takes more time because you don't have big green days as before. But of course, you're gonna have big green days, tomato. I'm not telling you that big green days will never appear to you anymore. They will come back, but first, before they come back, you have to have in your body and your brain and your blood the disciplined way of accepting your rules during a bad day. And when you're gonna have that on a green day, you're gonna be able to push and accept it if it goes bad or good, because you're gonna have a great discipline there. That's beautiful situation here, guys. Beautiful situation. Really, really, no slippage Wednesday, no slippage Wednesday. Jose. Really, it's when you think about that, you think about, because many times we think about the green day, but let's think about the first things you have to think, the red days. That's what you have to protect first. Then you can think about the red days, the green days after. By the way, guys, today is FOMC, so as much as we like to take trades, just be careful. Rules in trading, execution, following them, keep going, doing the things over and over again. That's how I made $20,000 last year in trading. It's by taking 2 trades a day, following the execution of the 15 minutes break, and keep repeating. How boring was my live stream? That's why I believe my live stream does not go that high. It's just because for people it's boring. People wants to see people taking trades and blowing accounts or getting payouts in some of them, but I don't do that. I wish I was making huge no, I don't want that. I want to be profitable by trading, because my goal, guys, on this is that one day I will have something that makes me hundreds of thousands of dollars a year with a great skill that can be sell as well as a teaching. Can be one day, maybe I can be as well someone that can go and speaks and teach people how to trade, because I have such a great background and a real background of someone making profit that I can make it maybe trading becomes my side hustle and I just teach around. Never know. But right now, no, I cannot. But people do that. People do that online. They freaking teach and they're not profitable. Or they freaking teach and they just make money from affiliate. But I have some moral things in my head. So I'm not gonna do that. And I cannot do that. Because I can start the bullshit. Some people text me on Instagram and they tell me, do you do mentorship? I can pay you. I swear to you guys, people do that. People text me and they're like, man, do you sell mentorship? No. I wish I was selling mentorship. That means I was making money, or I was making money even without. But I'm not that person. But there are people like that, guys. There are people like that make money from you believing they are good. And then what they do, they come to you and they're like, yeah, just draw a trend line here. When it breaks, you enter long. Stop loss. You decide on the situation, but sometimes you put it here, sometimes you put it here. Risk reward, risk what you feel, risk what you lost, risk what you believe in yourself, believe in your heart. $10,000. I can definitely teach discipline and trading psychology. I want to be even better, to be honest. I'm heading to that direction, but I wanna be better. I'm doing some coaching classes on how to understand people. So I wanna first become good at it. I'm studying on how to read people, gestures, eyes, speech. And then the moment I get better at this, then I can even become better at at teaching as well. Are you in France right now? I'm in France. Yes, I'm France. Reaction was France. No, you don't miss anything to stay in France, to be honest. Sell them a sell the dream, man. Play poker. You'll learn how to read people. I swear to you, poker will be a nice one to learn. If I study all this and then I want to practice, poker will be one thing. Go to play poker in places and see what people do with their eyes, how they interact. No, wait, you found somewhere to rent easy? No, I have a room in France. That's my always room. I've been paying rent all the last month. I have my things here. Man, if I turn the camera, you will see a disaster in my bed. It's really like a homeless room here because I put everything in my bed. Is still, I'm working on it, still cleaning and still doing things since I came back. So it's a mess. I'm not going to show you that. It's really a mess. So this is the only corner that is clean. Good morning, Sabria. Guys, 50 minutes range is close. We took these lows. Let's see what he wants to do very soon. Good morning, guys. That's a nice push, to be honest. And not even that much, eh? Or I'm wrong. There's not that much volatility right now there. Look, so how much we moved there? 60 points. It feels more, but it's not really. No, it's still good enough. This was a kind of beautiful long there. You see it after we got these lows here, the market just came back up. All these people that were gone long here, they got stopped out. Now we're looking to get these people out. Let's see how it moves on. A baby, sit out. Before the news will be like that. Yeah, I think we're just gonna chop around. Should I come later for the live stream? I'm not sure I can. I'm not sure if I'm working, but no, I'm not working. I don't know what time is 4 p.m. here. 3 p.m. here is 9 p.m. here. A bit too late, huh? No, 9 p.m. Nah, it's too late. Tomorrow I'm gonna do the live stream, but it's gonna be more. I think I'm like more as a chill live stream. The market is gonna be super slow. Look at that, by the way. This was beautiful. These things, even here entering, this was beautiful until the heights of the other 50 minutes range. That was beautiful, guys. Who knows what wants to do today? But right now we are taking people today's highs. Some pre-market highs are here, and you know, some people are definitely shorting these things from this range, from this trend line. Good chance that they will get stopped out. This was a beautiful long. I'm just learning, guys, because this was a beautiful long here. Just learning how to evaluate when to take a trade. It was a beautiful long here. Look at this. We grabbed liquidity here. Look at this beautiful candle. That was a beautiful candle here. Even this one too. On the 3 minutes chart. Morning, Rushinko. Yesterday I got slippage. I got 30 points slippage yesterday, guys. 30 freaking points slippage. 30 points slippage yesterday. No jokes. I don't know if you saw my live stream of yesterday. I show everything. But yesterday I went long here. My stop loss was here. at 67 and I got filled at 37. I got 30 points slippage. I have to be, I'm looking, guys, to improve my liquidity grab strategy here. Add these things, because this was a beautiful long. After we grab these lows, now we want to take out some people that were shorting. I spot a short in that fair value gap, but maybe I'm retarded. Alaikum salam, Jaid. Man, we're all retarded somehow. We all trade. We're somehow all retarded. How the heck we came out to choose this freaking difficult path to make money? I should sue each one of you guys. It's because of you that I'm watching me that you made these things crazy. But I'm looking for freaking longs, and let's see. But definitely the long here was the best, especially in the first 3-minute chart here. Where is it, the 3-minute chart? 3-minute chart. I want to avoid the 1-minute chart, but the 3-minute chart here looked a beautiful candle here. And we come back to the opening print level after we grab these lows. This was beautiful, especially because we're still on a upside direction, upside momentum, especially on the daily chart. So looking for longs still makes more sense than shorts. Right now is more about which things we want to grab before making on the next move. We definitely grab these lows, and let's see. How can you tell how far the liquidity grab will go, or is it not possible to tell? That's a difficult question. I think each one of us will have a different idea of what is liquidity, right? You can take a daily chart and be like, people use the daily lows and daily highs to say, oh, it grabbed yesterday lows here, so that's enough, and they will start to look only for longs, and people will start to look even at smaller time frame and be like, 1 hour chart. Okay, 1 hour chart, we did grab these lows, and it's enough for me, not anymore these lows. So that's mostly it. I think it's mostly each one has time frame ideas and trades. So the moment you have oh, this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. Yeah, yeah, they're watching us, man. They're watching us. They're watching us. Oh, guys, this was a beautiful long. We kind of missed it right now, but it's okay. We move to the next one. Oh, that's one way. Mufti the Cat told you that. You have definitely order blocks platform that show you that, and they're great, and they're great. So that's a good way, to be honest, to do it. I have to check how many. I'm looking for the next. Right now we're just cruising. Did I miss my entry here? Good chance I did it. But I still have 1 hour and 20 minutes of trading. So there's no rush of taking a trade. The only rush I'm gonna have right now is to take a trade where I put my stop loss where is gonna be liquidity, and I'm gonna freaking punch my monitor this time. This live stream is not gone over 20 people anymore. We're back again. 20 people. This is about at 12:35 here. These highs. That makes sense. That makes sense. All these people are shorting here had their stop loss here. That makes sense. I'm gonna if it gives me an possible pullback here for the longs again, I will probably look for it. Oh, or it is the oh, look at that. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. Still we didn't grab that much. We still didn't grab these highs here. That is more like the interesting one, like Mufti the Kid said. Let's see how it evolves the market. That was a beautiful candle here. Beautiful, beautiful candle. I might move to a 3-minute chart that is between the 1 and 5, and it allows me to have more kind of better, not better, more signals on the first hour that I trade only. Where the heck it's okay? First, I need to move my Trader Pro here on the right so I can see. Use glass or ceramic. What do you mean with that? I missed what you mean there. I miss what you mean. What did you mean? Tell me what you want. How are the stocks doing? How are the stocks doing? Stocks are pushing quite nicely from coming from the bottom, so that's nice. Definitely, that was a beautiful reversal. I kind of missed that now, and I'm gonna repeat it again. But yeah, it had a really good idea here. Really good idea. 5-minute chart is a bit hard. That's what I'm thinking, probably slightly moving from the 5 to 3, just because the 5 gives me hard to see some stuff like that until it's a little kind of a bit too late. That's it. Yeah, I'm gonna look for the long to get these highs here, but it has to give me a nice idea of candle. Inshallah. I mean, thank you, guys. Thank you, Jaid. Thank you. See you. Have a good day. Enjoy your work. Yeah, don't get fired for this live stream. Take care, my friend. Have a good one. Don't get fired. Yes. Let's don't get people fired, guys. Let's don't get people fired. We love each other here. What is this highs? It's very close. Can we get just a pullback? Can you come lower? Lower, come lower. Come lower. Lower. Before you go higher, come lower first. Grab some more people and then I will be happy to turn long with you. Yeah, yesterday was a pain, guys. Losing $400 on a trade just because of slippage was just painful. Salam! Sam, how are you? Americani. I'm not, I'm in France now. I'm in France. The fact is that I don't speak that much Arabic, so if you write too much Arabic, I'm like, I don't understand it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm a fake Moroccan. I'm a fake Moroccan. Oh no. Fulke. Meaning nice. Ah, that's yeah. Berber it can be a bit of a hard as well. Ready for long, meaning nice, nice. Ready for long break. Can you give me a long? I will definitely take a long here if it gives me a candle. Are you wearing your fustan? Fustan? The heck is a fustan? Fustan. Arabic res. No, I mean I have some, I mean the long dress one. Arabic for skirt. We have the men version that is the long one from the top to the bottom. That is, I swear to you, people don't understand, but that shit is comfortable. That shit is comfortable. People don't get it, but it is the best dress in the world. The best dress in the world. Is freaking comfortable, and yeah. It's freaking comfortable, man. People don't get it, but it is. I'm looking for this long if this candle comes back, guys. I want these highs. We've taken these lows anyway already. Kind of this trend line here. People that went long here are getting stopped out. Okay, people that went long here are getting stopped out right now. People that went short here, that had their stop, that got stopped out. But I feel the main one is still this one. So this one are getting played, this one are getting played. But the real long still can still come. What is the idea of stop loss here? $270? No way. That's 150. Oh, it's coming down. Oh, it's coming down. We grabbed that. We faked out all these people that were going for a break. Now they're getting faked out after stopping out all these people. Wow. That's some interesting situation. Definitely this one was the best. It was so interesting. Oh, wow. Did I move my opening print level? Let's put, oh, no, not this one. Let's put an opening range break. That's the range, the 15 minutes range. Beautiful, sexy. By the way, I have a new goal right now is to do 8,000 steps every day, guys. Now I'm at 1,400 and it's 4 p.m. so I have to catch up later. But I want to be disciplined as well on my health. I want to be disciplined on other things, not only trading, you know. There is something that we have to improve something in every factor of our life. And today I put 4 goals that is going to be done with my colleagues. And is, oh, that's, I think I'm going to get long in this candle here, guys. Yeah, I'm going to go long in that candle. We still have to grab these highs. We're going to go long. We're going to go, and we got long. Stop. $170. It's a bit aggressive because we're gonna move the stop loss to, definitely we're gonna move the stop loss to break even quicker if we push it, because that's not even less than 1-to-1 risk reward, but we'll look for that. Nice, G or running so important for the break. Yeah, man, they are so important because we give it is important. People really don't get it, that they connect each other a lot. Tu parles français? Oui, je parle français un petit peu. Voilà, je parle pas bien, mais je peux comprendre et parle un petit peu, voilà, avec autre personne. For me, when I'm not going for a run gym, whenever I think about breaking a rule is something shady, I do 50 push-ups. That's a way. Sometimes I do that as well, of like, you don't deserve to don't suffer. Yesterday I went for a run, I suffered my life. I suffered my life. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop loss really below closer, guys. If he doesn't want to break right now, and it right now, like I mean really right now, perfect, out. Beautiful trade. That's what we wanted. We don't, it's much lower profit that we do, but we took the highs. Mufti the cat told us a beautiful block was here. It made sense. Look at that, Mufti. We took it. We took it out. Nice job, guys. This beautiful long. Not a 1-to-1 risk reward, but we take it out. These people, that was a beautiful trade. We grabbed these lows There was a possibility to go aggressive here, but we came back up. We still didn't grab these highs. It came back. It faked out all these people that were trying to get the break of this trend line. So all the people that were going hard here, they got stopped out, and then we took it for the next level here. Told you that's what we want here. We want this sharing, guys. We want this sharing in these channels. No people bullshitting around. This is beautiful sharing we love in this community. Like yesterday with Nick, we spoke a lot about liquidity and idea behind. That makes, and I love this idea of liquidity grabbing. You know, these things can go higher and lower. That we don't give a shit. We're gonna look at this next possible idea. Anyway, today it was really annoying for me because I've decided to step out from trading today, and I watch my setup for me, and my mind is like, why you choose to step out? Plus push-ups. No, but you have to as well. I will say it's kudos to you. I will say you've done better at stepping out because you don't know what's after, you know, right? What happened today? You've taken a trade. Unfortunately, you've not taken it with the correct account, and you have taken it with a paper account. So your day would have been already done, right? Usually, you take one trade and you're done. If it's that way, then you're already done. You did a mistake, but you're already done. Your brain is to start to play emotions and stuff like that on you, and you have to control them. It's an emotional regulation on your side that you have to be like, these emotions that come to me are coming from the FOMO, right? From the fact of you missed a trade, the fact of that you could have been $300 up, the fact of this emotion that creates, and you're like, I have to take this trade again. And today is FOMC. So you're smart as well to think of not taking a trade because it's the easy FOMC. So getting close to FOMC is price action is worse. On a general factor, you've done good to not take a trade. And that is what it sucks. It sucks. Is that when a green things happens, you're like, I should have done it. But when it's a red things happens, what do you have thought? I've done amazing. I've done amazing. I follow my rules. I follow it. I've done amazing. What have been a red trade? But it's random, right? It's random. It's random. The outcome is random. So think about that on a singular trade is random. That's what you have to think every time. I miss a trade. It's a singular trade. There is no reason of deciding on a strategy-wise general factor just on a single trade. When I'm in France, I'm in Metz. Metz. M-E-T-Z. Send me money. Only one if it is a win. Yeah, that was your win trade, and you missed, and you took it. You took it with a paper trader account. You've trained yourself. You're out. You did good. You know, look. Imagine the other case scenario. You've taken the trade, and you would have lost you would have lost the trade. Imagine you would have taken the trade, and you would have lost the trade. What would have happened? That's what you have to think, to be honest, is the worst case scenario, right? The good scenario, think about, I broke a rule, but I make money from it. That is the great scenario. I broke a rule and I lose money. Freaking hell, I'm close to blow up my accounts. Because I was already at my max loss and I took another trade. Now I'm minus 800 instead of minus 100. It's yeah, many times we think about the green side, like with tomato we were speaking before, but we have to think about the red side. That's what we have to protect. Alf French, where do you live then? 2000? What? I didn't see that, guys. Where is it, my... Yo, 2000 subscribers! Yo, let's go, guys. Today, tomorrow, Friday, we do giveaways. Friday, just to let you know, Friday, because it's the last day of the week. So if we messed up, some people of you are gonna be happy and we're gonna enjoy it. iPhone giveaway. Hey, Wake is here. Wake. Let's go, guys. Wake is here as well. Is back at the 2000. Come back on Friday. We're gonna do giveaways, guys. We're gonna do giveaways. I'm gonna think about the type of giveaway, if it's gonna be still money, or we're gonna do something else. I'm gonna try to reach out to Apex and ask them, can you give me a few coupons for the 2000 giveaway? I'm gonna look for that. I hope they're gonna give me some. If they do, to celebrate my 2000 subscribers, Friday we do a giveaway, and hopefully they give me maybe 5 coupons, and it's 5 accounts for each one of you, plus my giveaway, my personal giveaway. So Friday, duck race, and we're gonna do a few duck race. If everything goes well, we're gonna do a few duck race on Friday. $2,000 giveaway. Did you see that? Abdel is gonna pay you $2,000 on Friday, guys. Thank you, Abdel. Thank you. Is very, very nice from you. Abdel is gonna put money in and give $2,000. Let's go, guys. Car giveaway from Jose. Jose is gonna give you a car, guys. He's gonna give you a car. Man, if they do that, Mufti will be so easy. I know no one cares. Let's go, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. Lambo giveaway. Wakey is gonna give you a Lambo. So we have free giveaways. Abdel's gonna give you $2,000 cheap. Car from Jose. We don't know which one car, and a Lambo from Wakey. It's incredible. Lambo, man. If I get 500,000 subscribers, I swear to you, I think I will manage to buy a Lambo and give it and do it as a giveaway. Two car Lambo, and duck race. Look at that, guys. We're gonna do so many duck race on Friday. I'm gonna prepare it. I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna do my best to have some coupons for Friday. If it does not happen, it's gonna be anyway duck races with my money. So that's gonna happen anyway. So Friday, guys, make it there, point it there. So, but you better show up on Friday. There is a good chance you're gonna win, because if we still are 25 people and we do a few giveaways, you have like a 25% chance to win. A BW for Fayats, BW for Fayats. You're gonna put a BW for our followers. Prepare money, Hans, so we can prepare the ducks. Well, honestly, it would be amazing to use real ducks. Hello, Nick. Nick. Oh, let me. What is that? First, before speaking about Nick, about my idea of the trades, I can tell you. I'm clicking on the link of Wiki. Let's see what Wiki sent on that link. It's taking 5 minutes to upload this page. Okay. Lamborghini. Oh, it's in sales at least, right? How much is it? $12.95. €12.95. I'm gonna send you that, guys. The Lamborghini Wiki sent. My Dakar need a personal trainer. Honestly, we should do a real life Dakar race, I swear to you. Nick, I took this trade. Listen to me. Listen to me. So this is the 50 minutes range. I'm gonna leave it here for the moment. These lows here, I was hoping they were gonna get in takeout, but I didn't take this trade here. This was a beautiful first trade. I didn't take it, right? I didn't take this first one. It was a good risk for my point to put and come back and retest, but this one, it was risky, but this one had higher chance. And this one had different factors. The fact of we didn't grab the liquidity of here above, that Mufti the Cat confirmed us had a big block there, blah blah whatever, big block. We didn't take it out yet. We come back, we retested. We as well, to be honest, we take out a few people that went long here on this trend line breaks. They got stopped out. We went, and I went long for the next order block. So that was good morning. Good morning, Falat. For market highs, honestly, it's freaking pushing to that direction. I'm still here for a while, so I'm maybe, you know, never know that this thing comes back down lower. A beautiful trade. And the beauty of this trade, when you look for liquidity graph and stuff like that, is that it went straight to the point. We called it. To be honest, we did it. We were calling for these highs to get grabbed, but this high is the next one, and this is as well yesterday highs. Wait, this is yesterday highs, by the way. No, this is pre-market highs. What am I speaking about? Yesterday highs is here. Yeah, this is pre-market highs here. Yes, that's interesting. I have real ducks. We can use your ducks then. You just need to put the camera on. You color them with something, and so we know. What is one thing you did or didn't do in your 20s that you either feel grateful for or regret now? What is one thing you did or didn't do in your 20s? I didn't do many things for sure. I don't. It's a weird question, right? Because now that I'm 31, I still feel I'm like 25. And right now I'm gonna go back running and I feel like I'm gonna push it. But on a regret wise, I swear to you, I spoke about this in one video about failure. And really, my regret is many times I've done things online. Trading is not the first things I've done online to make money. I've done affiliate marketing, I've done drop shipping, I've done whatever you think. I opened a website, I did blogs, I did whatever you can think about it, I did it. And I always stopped. And I always, the moment it was getting hard, I stopped. The moment it was getting hard, I stopped. I always think about this guy. It was me and this guy. And with this guy we were speaking, and we were at that time, Facebook was the only thing, so there was no Instagram, and I was doing such a things on Facebook, and I was making money from it. But Facebook algorithm got harder, and I give up. This guy continued working and became better on affiliate stuff and everything. This guy right now makes over 30 million a year doing what he continued working on. And this guy didn't have anything. And that's what many times we think, is that we think that other people are special, or people are, have something hidden. No, these people that made it happen, they're the same as us. It's just that I give up. I didn't put the work. I didn't believe in myself. Nice move. Thank you, Nick. Do you approve it? Bro, just say you are 25 because you look 25. Yeah, that's what I say when I date. No, I'm just joking. For me, I spent my 20s working 100 hours a week, working in investment bank. Big regret now, wasted the best years chasing a dollar. Tomato, that's a very good point. I can tell you a story of a guy I met in Paraguay. This guy, I think he has more years than me, 34. But he left his job like 15 years ago. Like, he worked 3 years in a bank and working 100 hours, because in USA you work that amount, and then he was like, nah, I'm done with this shit. He had knowledge, and he does medium long-term investment. So he does fundamental analysis, so he looks for stocks that are not correctly priced, so he buys them, and he makes money every year, not hundreds of thousands of dollars. He makes money that is good, so he is able to save some money and live in South America, traveling full time. And he's been doing that for more than 10 years, moving around South America. Super smart. I look 25. I thought you were 24. Man, I'm old, guys. That put money in my pocket next time you're in Minnesota, I buy lunch. Oh yeah, yo, I'm happy if you made some money. I'm very happy. Keep improving, my friend, and keep doing the best. We improve together here. Here you could be aggressive, maybe hold a runner, but it is what it is. We don't look for the future side. What I see when I take a price profit is here. I'm gonna take these highs and I'm done from it. Definitely we hold this trend line at the end, but I take out profit and I'm out. Whatever happens after, I don't know it. So sometimes we have to think about that. Sometimes we look at this and we're like, should have taken longer. No, just move your chart, go back and analyze again and see what did you know until here when you take profit. Then you can say yes or not, and you can speak about what you've done. What do you do right now, Mufti? Apart, day trading here with us. I'm 25, same. Man, I'm not 25, I'm 31. But I feel 25. I feel 25. I'm 18. You're Rishi. My God, I swear to you guys, if I had started at that age, 18, 20, 25, whatever age, and what I tell you guys is my advice is when you decide to follow something on a career path that you believe is you like and you enjoy, that is most important. If you like and enjoy, put work on it, don't give up, fail and improve from the failing. Failing is better than don't try anything. Don't listen to people that will come to you and insult you, telling you what the heck are you doing? Go get a job. If you keep losing money, fail but improve. Fail without improving, without learning, it's useless. But if you fail and you learn, keep growing, you're gonna make it happen. I met so many people while traveling that made their lovely career that they liked as their job, and they're making the life they really wanted. I thought it was unrealistic and it was impossible until I met them, and I was like, guys, this guy made it. If taking scalps with a good approach can be to have a big target that gives at least 1 to 2 when it hits first target, remove stop delivery, and then one good point is that one definitely is like taking this trade to follow this one is definitely against risk reward wise. So that's why I was like, if I see it coming back down right away, then I have to really be careful. Like if I see it coming back and close a 5 minutes candle lower, I will definitely take it out right away. Because that was against a risk reward, a positive risk reward. But definitely have as even some runners. But the fact is that these days runners sucks. Runners sucks these days. You take a long here, you come back and back, you're gonna get shut out. I think that's the problem of this period, that runners do not work that much. I tried. I think runners work very well when you get the nice correct period. And I think that is the power of a trader, is to understand when is able to move to push the runners. Sides, I'm hard hustle with friends. That's amazing, man. That's amazing. People is really what. The problem of many people, and what I realized in the last month after doing coaches and stuff like that, is that many times we fell behind long-term goals on like, this is my goal, I will be happy when I will reach this goal. Many times we reach that goal and we're not happy, because we get there and we're like, what the heck? What is this? And what we did, we lost 20 years of our life reaching that goal. In reality, your things is enjoy everything you're doing every day to reach that goal, right? It's different, because sometimes we don't focus anymore about daily just because we wanted the goal, but in reality we have to focus on what we're doing today, to enjoy what we do right now, to make things, because when you enjoy it, when you reach that goal, you're gonna be like, I'm gonna go to the next goal because I'm enjoying my path. So let's say your goal is to make 500k per year, but you do it in an enjoyable way. You get to the 500k, you're like, I love these things, I'm doing it every day, let's go for the 1 million. But if you don't enjoy it and you get to 500k and you're like, what is this? I'm not happy. Why you're not happy? Because you never enjoyed the path to get there. Yeah, if trading is your way, just keep learning, keep improving, and don't waste money on it by doing full sites. You have a lot of years in front of you. Work part-time at the same time. Don't rush. Yeah, for FMC later, yes. That's why I'm like, right now I'm looking carefully. AGL, thanks Rush, you do not see school. Yeah, I mean, school is not that much needed, to be honest. I haven't had a boss telling me what to do for 6 years, so I don't think I can go back. And I'm in a 9 to 5, and right now I'm like I cannot go back to a remote job, an office job. That's my point right now. Right now I'm like in a position where I cannot go back to an office job. Yeah, yeah, that's it. That's the point. Is like if you have a 9 to 5, do something in your spare time to make it happen. It's hard the first years. It's hard the first year. It's hard the second, the first 2 years. But there is the gratification in this case is a delayed gratification. Is your work you put in here now is gonna give you gratification later on your goals, on your things that you're gonna reach. Many of us want the quick gratification, right? We want the things too quick, and that's why many of us do not make it, right? Non-care. Yeah, guys, man, I do my best. I love it. I love speaking about this. To be honest, you know what happened with my life, non-cares, is that I never believed in this shit. I never believed in psychology. I never believed on coaching, and I never believed that mental was so important until I start working in Apex. No jokes. And when I worked in Apex, it's the best company ever because they offer weekly coaching about life, weekly coaching about leadership, and weekly coaching as well to become a coach, to become better at it. And they do impact event of improving yourself and everything. It's when I discovered, I was like, yo, what I was really missing was my mental side. When I discovered that this year and the last months, I was like, never anymore. I will do the same mistakes. And really, not because I'm biased, not because I work in Apex, but Apex has such a great people working in, and they really care. They pay traders. They pay a lot of traders. They're gonna change a lot in the next period because live is gonna be such a big deal in the next period, and you will see that Apex is gonna be just the best one, no matter which platforms is gonna be the best one. What many people have to realize that if you are somewhere, if you are there making money with Apex, but not triggering the system, like what is the trigger in the system? It's like taking an account, blowing it, making money, taking an account, blowing it. Then it's gonna be like you're gonna be flagged because you're just playing the system. You're owning accounts and getting some payouts, you're owning accounts and getting some payouts. After a while, you're gonna get flagged. But if you're someone that is profitable with risk management and stuff like that, 100% you're gonna be moved to live environment. 100%, and it's gonna happen. I used to an advisor at a bank, and I've seen so many people with so much money saved out. They all regret not trying something different when they're young. There was a couple. There was a couple in a video that they said, an old couple. They were traveling, and they said, "What is your biggest regret?" It was like, our biggest regret is that when we were young, we were just thinking about work, and then we didn't travel when we were young. And traveling when you were young is definitely much more fun, as a couple or whatever, right? And they were like, we travel right now, but it's different. Remember, JetCab achieved that success at 10 years. Just enjoy the long-term process. Yeah, enjoy the long-term. The beauty of trading is that the moment you're gonna get to a place where you make money from trading, is just you're exponential, because you know everything. You know what was triggering you to do stupid shit. Like tomato right now is very, from my point, is very freaking close. The moment he fixes that problem he has of not accepting losing trades, that guy becomes unstoppable. I really believe in it, because you make money from your green days. I might change my name from non-cares to Apex cares. And I mean, right now we've been in a really nice group. I remember each one of you. Maybe sometimes I don't remember the country, but I love the group. Yeah, I'm doing my best, Mufti. I'm doing my best trying to build my channels, because my channel is a different type of income. Even right now YouTube does not pay that much, but it's a different type of income. Never for in the future. So if I want to do mentorship and maybe close my Discord and make it pay by paying, YouTube is going to be very important. I always like promise. I will never make people that have been reading Discord pay for it. Never. I will definitely kick out people that never commented or stuff like that. I will definitely kick out these people when this will happen. But I mean the people that are there but they're not active. But the people that have been there, you're safe. You're safe, guys. You will never be charged by me. Never. Hard problem for me to, but that's why if it was easy, you would be already making your payouts every week. It's hard, but you're gonna make it happen. I believe in it, my friend. I believe in it. And if I believe in you, that means you can believe in yourself. That's how much we think about you. That's how much we think you're worth it. You're worth it making these payouts. You just need to fix the things. And you're safer, guys. Big order broke at 22,100. That is interesting, above those 100 round numbers. Let's see how it wants to do right now. I mean, right now it's not that movie. If it wants to do like some way to stop some people. Yeah, I mean, so many people are getting, but I don't know. I hope no one is getting scammed. But if you get scammed by someone like with my face telling you to buy his course and crypto, it's on you, guys. It's really on you. I will kick you out but that's because we have like 300 people there, and like 50 people comment every time. If 50 people comment and 300 people and 250 do not comment, that means that Discord is 50 people. 250, I can remove them. No, I mean, one job is enough, man. Do you want me to work 2 jobs? I work as a 9 to 5. Then I do live stream for 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. I do edit for my YouTube and Instagram reels. I'm working on a bot for crypto with my friend, my close friends of long time. We're trying to work on it, and it's taxes as well another time. It's really, no, I don't have time. See you, Jose. Thank you for coming, my friend. Enjoy your day tomorrow. If you're not trading, I don't think I'm gonna trade, but I will be live. You have a different. I'm paying $20 a month. I don't know who you're paying, but please pay me at least. There's free feeling, because if you were only trading, you might feel stuck with results, right? Because the past month it's been almost break-even for you. Do Apps gives you that stress-free feeling? Oh, the job, the salary, 100%. I became profitable when I got my job in Apex. Not because I work in Apex, but because I got a job. I became profitable last year is because I got a job. Because I didn't care anymore about making more or not. It was such a big change, guys. Such a freaking big change. Huge change. Beautiful push here. Beautiful push. It still keep going. So that's interesting. If we go to the daily candle, how is the daily candle? That's quite a green one. Okay, we're still inside the previous day for sure. Of course, we didn't take the previous highs. But definitely more upside right now than downside. So that's beautiful. Can I add this one? Yes, okay, 3 minutes. That's good. Oh, go back working, man. Go back working. Have a good one. You did good. You did great today, my friend. You didn't miss anything. What you've done is follow the rules. You made money. You walk away. Tomorrow is a new day. You take your free trades. You go away. You've done amazing. Do that for a month and see what happens. Do that for a month and see what happens. Do that for a month. A month. See, like you because you never had something like this, I think, for a long time, and you can do like that. Do it for a month and see what is the outcome. If the outcome is great and you made money, then you're like, I love it, I will keep going. If you like, I could have done better, I'm still losing money with free trades, then you're like, okay, at least you know. At least you know. More information you know, easier it is to become a profitable trader. I want private mentorship. Private mentorship, guys, for only $20,000. Discounted to you from Discord for 99%. So you're welcome. Beautiful push. That was a beautiful push, guys. I'm not regretting taking my profit here. Don't take me wrong. That was a beautiful push. If something happens here that wants to come back lower and make something like come back, take out these lows here of these candles, I might look for it. But if not, I honestly can. I will be happy. I'm done. I'm happy with my day. Yesterday was horrible because of slippage coming. Yeah, look at that. You see how it's freaking magnet, my friend. Look at that freaking magnet. That's beautiful, man. What are you using for it, Mufti? Sierra chart? You said Sierra chart. I have to buy the Sierra chart. I might pay for somewhere to have it on me, to have it. This today could have been 2 trades if this was aggressive one, but I was not using the 5-minute chart here. How is the 5-minute chart right now? Yeah. Honestly, I like the 3 minutes, to be honest. You give me because this entry on the 5 minutes, I would have not seen it. This entry. So I'm happy with the 3 minutes. 2 entries were not appearing on the 5 minutes, but appear here. Come, yes, do it, man. It's great. Sierra chart. Do you pay level 2 data? See you, Roshinko. Thank you for coming. Have a beautiful day, my friend. Thank you for coming here. Remember, guys, if you want to use Apex and you're thinking about using Apex as the real valuations, you can use my code. It's Hamza. It's always the same things, same code. It give you 80% right now. That's beautiful. I'm very happy with this. See you tomorrow. I will be there. I don't think I will trade. If I trade, probably it's gonna be like very small sides, very small sides. I don't have it. I don't have it. I see it from YouTube. Ah, you see it from. Ah, I know the YouTube order block channel. Oh, that's some order block live. What is it? Can you send the link if you have it there? Or is it a paid live that you have to pay for to watch it? I have one channel that here. This is a small channel that has it live stream. 20, wow, 100 a lot. I see it right now. That's smart, to be honest, to use a YouTube video to watch it. You sent me. I don't. Look at this one I'm gonna send you. I'm gonna send you this one. This guy is live streaming it every day. Look at this guy. That is beautiful. I don't know if he live stream it every day, but that is great. You know, if he does it every day, it's not bad. I think it's like alive forever. 6/18/25, or this is the first time he does it. I don't know. Probably does it every day. I see the one you sent me in Discord. But to be honest, you know, what I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pay for it and give it to you here in this channel. I'm gonna do that. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna pay for it and give it to you on this channel. So I have a lot of space here. I only need to show you this chart here where I take the trades. The other one can be level 2 data with, you know, I can really do that. It's something more for this channel, something more that I provide to you, and it's like, it's a win for everyone. I do the live stream 20 and you guys can have it, and I pay whatever is like $15 a month, $20 a month, and it's a win for all of us. So you don't have to go, yeah, I will do that. I will do that. It's a freaking great idea. Let me do it. Let me do it even right now. Let me do it right now. Let me do it right now. I want to do it right now. I'm gonna go to my Apex account. I'm gonna do to my Apex account here and pay for level 2 data. We don't have to watch something else. Yes. Rithmic add-ons, deep comex, deep CBO, deep naming, deep CME. Yes, market depth CME. Blah blah blah. How much is it? Data pay. I mean, I'm paying the last week. It's okay. It's an investment. $10? What the heck? Yes, I paid for $10. I thought it was much more expensive. Market depth CME. Yes, yes, yes. I pay for it. $10. I thought it was much more. No. What do you mean? Wait. I don't see any Discord message from you, man. It's too late, man. I already paid my $10. If you had to save me $10, it's too late. I paid. You piece of crap. I'm gonna add it right now. Let's see. First, I have to check. Is it that fast to give me level 2 data? Look at this 100 getting taken care of. Let me see. Let me disconnect and reconnect. Let me right now check Quant Tower somewhere here and give you how is called in Quant Tower? Depth, market depth. We have it. We have it. Not the display. It's loading. Still loading. NQ U5. He's a good trader. I'm gonna look into him. So if you say that, I'm gonna put NQ. That is the main contract to look. Oh, I love these guys. Let me right now improve it. I have to just improve because it looks weird. I don't want the charting. Wait, So weird. I don't like how it is in 1 hour. Let me see. Market depth quant tower. How the heck I can do nicely? Oh, I can do it. No, I want to do it like it. No, I'm not definitely done. I'm not definitely done. Not gonna use his approach, but I'm looking for his. What is? How the heck I do? I'm gonna have to. I have to use the DOM, not the. This one is sucks. Let's see DOM. Okay, I have it. I have it, guys. I have it. It's a bit not the best. NQ. NQ U5. I have it. Okay, it's a bit weird. It's a bit weird. It does not show me much more than these. Okay, I don't want to take trades. Don't take me trades. No. Don't take me trades. Strange. Yeah, I'm now trying to see why it does not show me after like a few points. But it does show me something, so it means that the data are working. Auto centering. That's good. But it does not show me that many data. So I'm gonna give to you. I'm gonna show you. Let me see if I can do it right now. So I'm gonna remove Trader Pro for the moment because anyway, I'm not gonna take any other trade right now. So you can see it. Okay, it does not show. Where is it? No. Display capture, window capture, deep market. And then here, DOM. So that is something I can see for the moment, but not the one, not everything I want to see. I want to see everything. How the heck I see more levels than what I put right now there? You see it? That's annoying. I would like to see more. I have to fix it, but what do you know about the trading price on 20 below? Only 40 ticks. Oh, that's a good point. Settings. I have it here. Okay, I see. View, refresh rate, blah blah blah, session template. Limit orders. Number. Okay, I have it. Done. Done. Then I'm gonna do it by point and not by ticks. If I can do it by ticks to scroll. 4. No, not 4. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out where to put it, just to have an idea for you guys. Columns, liquidity changes, minimal width, comment, I want to have instead of 1 tick, have 4 ticks by point. I want. I think a number of levels here. Calculation type. 4. Yeah, I don't know. I don't understand. But it's there. It's there. It's there at least. I want to fix it to have it more like point and not thick. That's my my main goal right now. I don't know how to do that. So you're gonna forgive me for that. I want to check. How the heck I check? I just want to see these freaking things, guys. Where is the... Ah, I found it. 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 Boom! We have it by point right now. Now it's by point. So now we have at least a 20 points view. I like it. I like it as well with my live stream like that. I like it. You don't need to see my 15-minute chart. I'm gonna see my 15-minute chart. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my eye on the chart for sure. But this is as well for you guys. Then it's good for me. It's okay. I'm gonna remove this buy and sell. Buy and sell. Imbalance, whatever. And then we're gonna reduce it to something like this. That's okay. And I'm gonna make it like this. Something like that. Beautiful, 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 guys. Definitely, I'm worried about taking trades here. Let's lock it. Let's take it. I don't want to take trades, but I have my evaluation selected. So worst case scenario is my evaluation. Right. It does look like I'm pro trader right now, but in reality, last time I got a payout was months ago in February. But one payout will come back to me, guys. It's gonna be huge. It's not gonna be anymore 4 or 5K. It's gonna be like 10K each time because we're gonna trade so well. 52. I'm not gonna take any more trade, but I love the idea of this coming back here and liquidate these people. All these people that are trying to go long, getting stopped out, and then give the right push to the 100s, because we still didn't take it at 100. Right now, it's doing it. Can I scroll these things? Let me do it. Settings. Let me do it by 2 points. Yeah, let me do it by 2 points. That's better. Huge here at 54. We have some, but the big one was 100, I believe. The big one was 100. If we keep in view, 100. Look at this 100, 121 contract, 122. People are definitely a lot of people there. Keep out centering, no centering. Look. Let's see what he wants to do right now. The market. If here he was looking to give me like a nice candle, I would be probably looking for a long. But I am done for today, so it's gonna be just to view it in the next few minutes with you. But beautiful live session, guys. I really had fun today. Live session was very interesting, enjoyable with you. So love that, love that. Do you have a heat map in Quant Tower? I'm just learning about Quant Tower right now. Oh my god, I have it. Oh my god, maybe heat map is even better. No, that was bullshit. Not that heat map I meant. I meant something else, and instead it gave me a yeah, no, not that's not the heat map I was looking for. See you tomorrow, guys. Yeah, I mean, I want to just see what he wants to do right now here, but this is getting nice and beautiful. This is getting nice for the real push to the 100. Definitely, it grabbed quite a few people there, and let's see. But yeah, I'm not gonna take any other trades, but I will look into it for fun. But I'm done. Have a beautiful day, guys. Thank you so much. And like I told you, big giveaways on Friday. We're gonna have fun Friday. Friday is gonna be a fun live. We're gonna trade. We're gonna try to make money, but at the same time, we're gonna do giveaways. So remember, guys, to subscribe so you can get the notification. Put the bell for the notification. And Friday we're gonna meet. We're gonna do a lot of dark race. See you tomorrow. I'm gonna live stream anyway. Not gonna be that much on a live stream because it's gonna be a holiday. But love you all. Have a beautiful day, guys. And thank you as always for coming. Remember, if you're buying Apex Trader Fungi accounts, you can use my code Hamza. That helps a lot and helps keep going with this. Thank you so much, guys. Have a beautiful one.